Alright, here's the we do and the you do. So it's going a little bit faster. Remember, if you need help, feel free to set up an actual appointment with me, and we can do a Canvas conference, and I can help you individually to make sure you understand every single step. Remember, even though I'm not with you right now, you can still ask for help, and I still want to make sure that you succeed, not only for my class, but for next year as well. Alright, so let's go ahead, let's do step 1. Step 1 is good, it's in standard form. Step 2, from all three terms, I think I can divide by -5. And this becomes v squared plus 5v plus 6. Right, that is step 2. And I know I take out the -5, but you can technically cross it out, because you can divide both sides by -5, this cancels, and then 0 divided by -5 is still 0. So I'm pretty much just telling you to cross this out if you have a G7 in the front. Alright, step 3, let's make our magical X puzzle, our favorite thing to do. On top is your B value, B is 5. On the bottom is A times C, which is going to be 1 times 6, which is 6. Now, two numbers that add up to 5 and multiply to 6. Think about it. 1 and 6, no. 2 and 3, oh, 2 and 3 works. Positive 2 and positive 3. So 2 times 3 gives me 6. 2v plus 3v gives me 5v. So I can rewrite this as, for step 4, v squared plus 2v plus 3v plus 6 is equal to 0. Factor by grouping. I can factor out a v from here, v, and this gives me v plus 2. The second one, I can factor out a plus 3, and that's going to give me with v plus 2. This is going to go ahead and factor out the common binomial. I have v plus 2, taking out the v plus 2. And I'm left with a v plus 3 equal to 0. Set both of them equal to 0. And then go ahead and solve both. V is equal to -2 as this cancels out. V is equal to -3 as this cancels out. Alright, and moving on to the U try. Let's go ahead and let's do this one. Ooh, I tricked you guys a little. Nah, not that much. I can divide all three terms by -2. I'm left with an x squared plus 9x plus 14. And then this we can ignore. And we're running out of space. I'm going to erase. And it's just like school because I can't erase everything. And it's still a little messy. Oh, there we go. Alright, so let's do our magical X puzzle. On the top, what number goes on top? That is correct, that is 9. What number goes on the bottom? A times C, so 1 times 14, which is 14. Now, factors of 14, I have 7 and 2, 1 and 14. 1 and 14. Which one's going to combine or add to give me 9? I think it's going to be 7 and 2. 7 and 2. So let's rewrite this as x squared plus 7x. Let's put that in. Plus 2x plus 14. If you switch these, you will see at the end that it doesn't matter. Alright, factor by grouping. First two terms, I can factor out x. And I'm left with an x plus 7. Second term, I'm going to factor out 2. I'm getting brain dead. I have x plus 7 equal to 0. Go ahead and let's factor out the common binomial. So the common binomial from each term, I have x plus 7, factor that out, x plus 7. What's left is an x and a plus 2. Last step, let's use the zero product property, set both of them equal to 0. And you guys are getting a little bit faster now, so this is x is equal to -7, x is equal to -2. Alright, I know today was a very heavy day in math notes. Take your time, process it. Remember, if you don't get it, set an appointment so I can help you individually. Alright, good luck. Do your homework and answer the question on the right side, please.